Let's be school ready with Teacher Ray. Present tense of verbs. Verbs or action words that happen now or every day are verbs in the present tense. Are you ready? Let's begin. Here are present tense rules to guide us for today's lesson. Number 1. Add S to most verbs. Example, cook becomes cooks. Read becomes reads. Smile becomes smiles. Number 2. Add ES to verbs ending in S, SS, CH, and SH. Example, teach becomes teaches. Wash becomes washes. Toss becomes tosses. Number 3. For verbs ending in Y, with a consonant before it, we change Y to I, then add ES. Let me show you. The word cry ends in Y, with a consonant before it. So we change Y to I, then add ES. So cry becomes cries. Study becomes studies. Number 4. Verbs should agree with their subjects. For singular subjects, we add S or ES to verbs. For plural subjects, we use the base form of the verb. Remember, singular means only one. Plural means more than one. The girl watches TV. Girl is singular, so we say watches. The girls watch TV. The subject girls is in the plural form, so we say watch. The dog barks. The subject dog is in singular form, so we say barks. The dogs bark. The subject dogs is in plural form, so we say bark. He studies for the test. The subject he is in singular form, so we say studies. They study for the test. The subject they is in plural form, so we say study. Use the base form of the verb for I and you as subjects. For example, I mop the floor. You make the bed. I fold the clothes. You collect the trash. You are awesome! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching!